Tesla takeover, Model 3 versus Model Y, the ultimate showdown. Ever feel like gas stations are a relic of the past? You're not alone. The electric vehicle revolution is upon us, and Tesla stands tall at the forefront. But with two powerhouse options, the Model 3 and Model Y, choosing your Tesla chariot can be a head-scratcher. Fear not, future EV warriors. Today, we delve into the electric abyss to crown the champion, Model 3 or Model Y. Context: unveiling the beasts. Let's meet the contenders. The Model 3, a sleek, sporty sedan, took the world by storm with its blend of affordability and performance. Then came the Model Y, a crossover SUV offering a roomier interior and a touch more practicality. Both boast insane acceleration, futuristic tech, and that coveted Tesla badge. But beneath the chrome skin, key differences emerge. Round 1. Performance and handling. If you crave a thrill ride, both Teslas deliver. Standard trims offer impressive zip, but the performance variants unleash inner demons. The Model 3 Performance, with its lower center of gravity, feels glued to the road. It carves corners like a dream, making you a certified stoplight dragstrip champion. The Model Y Performance is no slouch either. While not quite as razor-sharp, it holds its own with blistering acceleration and surprisingly nimble handling for its size. The trade-off? A touch more body roll in tight corners. Round 2. Range and efficiency. Range anxiety? Tesla aims to leave that in the dust. Both models offer impressive ranges, with the Model 3 slightly ahead in most trims. The focus on aerodynamics in the sedan design plays a role here. However, the difference is often negligible in everyday driving. Both excel at weekend getaways and road trips, with Tesla's extensive supercharger network acting as your personal EV oasis. Round 3. Interior and cargo space. This is where things get interesting. The Model 3 boasts a minimalist, driver-centric interior. The massive touchscreen controls most functions, and the overall feel is sleek and modern. But some might find it a tad cramped, especially for rear passengers. The Model Y, on the other hand, is a space warrior. The higher seating position offers excellent headroom and legroom for everyone on board. Cargo space is king here, swallowing luggage, groceries, or even a weekend's worth of camping gear with ease. This makes the Y the perfect choice for families or active adventurers. Round 4. Technology and features. Both Teslas are tech havens. The minimalist interior translates to a reliance on the central touchscreen for most functions. Tesla's autopilot suite, offering advanced driver assistance features, is available on both models. However, for the full self-driving experience, FSD, you'll need to pay extra. The infotainment system is a highlight, offering streaming services, games, and even a web browser, though keep your eyes on the road, folks. Both Teslas receive constant software updates, ensuring your car stays cutting edge. The verdict: a champion emerges. So, which Tesla reigns supreme? The truth is, it depends on your priorities. The Model 3 is ideal for drivers seeking a sporty, agile experience, those who prioritize efficiency and a slightly longer range, single drivers or couples who value a minimalist and modern interior. The Model Y shines for families or those who need ample cargo space, drivers who prefer a higher seating position and more headroom, those who prioritize passenger comfort and a slightly more traditional car layout. Beyond the rings, additional considerations. Price plays a role too. The Model 3 starts slightly lower, but the gap narrows depending on trim levels and options. Consider your budget and what features are most important to you. Finally, test drive both. Feeling the difference behind the wheel is crucial. See which Tesla ignites your passion for the electric future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.